Sani Bonani Ninjani. I hope you guys are good. Today we are okay. Please make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you're looking for a full episode, please also go KZN first on social media on our Facebook page. So we have put it there. So but now let's look at what happened today on the show Uthando Nesithembu episode 10. The Samge Makwela is meeting the Celis, abantu bakamacele, the whole family, the sisters and everybody, the brothers, obviously, and the kids. I don't know why the Celis are very excited to meet up with Usamge. It's just too good to be true. I understand what's in for them, what makes them so much happy. So bayahlangana nolutuzaneke no Samge uMakwela bayamtshela ukuthi umseleku udinga ingane, bayamtshela ukuthi bayamthanda. Yabona nje ba nice, the very nice. It's not even funny, all of that. Usamngeke usebiza kumseleku ngo baby la khona la kugcwele abantu usethi umseleku ungangibizi mina ngo baby blah 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 njoba uzokhuluma guys. Kodwa have you noticed that ukuthi umseleku sim affected stroke angenqabamanga? But anyway, not just only that, bayashoka balentuzane abantu bakacela ukuthi hayi no siyajabula ukuthi ufikile umakoti wethu, base beintroduce ke amadodana batheke nanga amadodana akho ke beintroduce uMpumelelo no this other boy amayeni. They almost same age because I think uMakwela she's 31. Yeah, no she's 25. Usamge lo ulutuzana balo Usamge yabona lamagama Usamge una 30, Usamge una 25 umfazi ka Mseleku, bese ukuthi lo usne usne una 31. Mpumelelo ke indlela ambuka ngakhona uMakwela lo ay lentuza izi kahle uyam reprimanda kumacela utshela Mpumelelo ukuthi sithe lalela sithe uma wakho lo ashonga ukuthi uSamge ngoba already usembiza ngoSamge ingane ke lekaMacelene lenengeke iyajabula itshela baba ukuthi hayi no lalela yabo lo number 5 umlethile uyena hakekho umunye number 5 odlula lo muhlu girl usifanele. But guys, I don't know, don't you think ukuthi Mpumelelo angazitika lapha? Don't you think uMpumelelo guys angayitika lapha ya somehow indlela kade mbuka ngakhona but anyway ke bese bayadla ke kudliwe ke ba happy nje bonke. It's a big family. Nobhuti kaMacele ukhona lana ke uya nje yabo nje ukhuluma into ezingasili bayaqena kodwa abantu bakacela ngifuna uqamba amanga. That's how I'm feeling. I feel like ukuthi bathanda izinto instead of bathanda ama camera or bayaphapha. I don't see any genuineness yabo kuyona. Right, so after that ke umseleku shemnkosi yami khumbulani phela ukuthi uma yena akekho wayishiya zonke ingane zakhe, so uyahamba ke uyodlala nomnini inkosi yami eBhishi ingane zamayeni. Uyabuza ke nomnini, uyamxaxa nomyeni, uyambuza khona nobanze lapha babonke buza ingane ukuthi banze kunjani esikoleni, umnini kunjani esikoleni yabo. Remember le ngane lihlala nolentuzane Mpumelelo. Uyasho kumsele ukuthi hey umnini umuntu okhulumayo kodwa ngiyabona ukuthi kukhona into emenza nje engabe right njengoba sidlala la olwandle. I'm so happy for the fact ukuthi umsele Nkosi yami uyakwazi ukuspend isikhathi nengane zakhe yabo. Sazi phela noma wenzela ama camera in, but nje for the fact ukuthi ubayise olwandle lezi futhi kahle especially lezi zingenamama phela ingane ziphenduke intandane uma wazephila. Uyabuza ke ingane uyasuka kumnini ubonakala esehleli yedwa lapha ngathi akekho right, and then uyabuza kumsele ukuthi hey boy ithini into uphathwe yini kabi kanjena, and uyahamba uyambuza ke and umnini inkosi yami uvela uyaphihlika uvela uyakhala. Sana and yasho umnini ukuthi hey Deji, I don't want to speak because I'm crying, you know, ngizoxoxela uma besesekhaya. Ngani yakhala yabehlika lezi ezinye ke manje zezibhekile ukuthi lo ukhalelani and all of that. Siyamncenga kule ntuzana umsele ukuthi hey boy khuluma so that sizokwazi ukuthi silungise lento. Uyasho umsele ukuthi no, this hurts me to see my child as a parent crying. and especially engazi ukuthi uzoyisiza ngani, because umnini is not saying I'm sick, umnini is not saying whatever, umnini is just saying no, I'm not going to speak about it, I'm just going to speak about it when I get home. And umsele feels the fact ukuthi ngazi ukuthi uyifailure yomzali mengabe bona ukuthi ingane yakhe ikhala even though ewumuntu osebenza kanzima. Uyamncenga ke umsele kuncenga umnini, uyamtshela ukuthi ayi ungakhali bayindoda, uthi lona hayi yena engeke ungitshela ukuthi kumele ngibe indoda, ngingane mina ngifuna ukuexisa kwengane, so nje ungangitshela into ukuthi angibe strong ukusho umnini etshela umseleko. But then umseleko yamtshela ukuthi no, listen, I'm here for you. But nomseleko uyanxaka emsethi for Mayeni not uthi for uMayeni not being here permanently. Kanti what do you mean permanently? Guys, let's talk. Was Mayeni not supposed to go with ingane zakhe? Or umseleko wanqaba? Why ungahambi? Okay, shiyake labadala umpumelelo vele. Why ungahambi nengane encane ubanzi nolo? Uyambuza kodwa ukuthi do you miss your mom? Uthi ulotuzana no akamkhumbula uma wakhe. But then the problem is, then if you are not missing your mom, what is the problem? Right? Aphinde futhi ambuza athi, is this about your mom? Hayi uboy akafuna ukusho ukuthi into ingoma wakhe. Hayi laba abanye abancane, laba abanye obanzi, hayi bayalentuzo. Abahlangene bayidlalela. Usiyamtshela ke umsele ukuthi hayi ndoda mfana wami mawunenkinga ubofunda ukuthi ukukhuluma uphumule obala. Then after that ke bayagoduka ke babuyela ekhaya ke nayo umnini nkosami no plastic bathwele nje kubhlungu. Hayi ke bafethu Mayeni nenhliziyo ezincane lezingane ukuthi ungayishiya in this manner. These kids are young, these kids are so young. I don't think it's fair for you to leave the kids at this age. Anginandaba ngisho ukuthi ubaba akafuni. At the end of the day inganzami, so I'm gonna go with my kids because I'm a mother. Anyway, so and then after that ke uyabuyela ke ulentuzane ekhaya. Umseleku usiyabiza umpumelela amqisa indoda ake sizokhuluma la khonto emele sidingide mabekhuluma ke nompumelela. Umpumelela asho ukuthi no man daddy, ungabukhona kwamali ekhaya, it's affecting the kids and I can see. And then we also find out the fact ukuthi uMayeni uxabene nompumelelo. And then one of the things futhi ezenza uMayeni aphinda ahambe beside into yemoto is the fact ukuthi baxabana nompumelelo. So uyasho umseleke utshela umpumelelo ukuthi your mother said to me ngiyakwazi ukuhlalisana nawe. Kusho ukuthi but guys ke don't you think umpumelelo ufanga bonendle yakhe? How come you have kids zingakuzo 4? No, not 2 kuvuyokazi 1 kuTerelo. You've got 3 kids. You have a secret company. Usubulale nomuntu ke futhi. Nje uyindoda phela wena. Why can't you have your own house so that these girlfriends or these women that you love or whatever the case it is, they are able to have their own space? I just don't get it. Like I don't understand it. So how come umpumelelo ngayindlaka? So ke uMayeni, one of the things zamisa uMayeni ke endlini ke is the fact ukuthi uxana umpumelelo. So uyambuza ke umsele ukuthi nibangani nomama. Uyasho umpumelelo ukuthi hey uma umuntu ongakwazi uaddress issue leyo ngesikhathi uvusa namanye ama issues ofithi uqinisele umpumelelo, because hayibo kunini emcolisa amacala bo lo mama lecolisa umyeni amacala amadala ngahle. So unenhliziyo embi, inhle kodwa ngane Mayeni yathi unenhliziyo embi kahle kahle uMayeni, you know. So yasho ukuthi so asitholani mina naye endlini. Sethi uma ubaba wakhe sethi baba kaMseleko sesumseleko umpumelelo ungabe umnakake. So if it happens that you guys are fighting, just say sorry and then move. But then again umseleko futhi uya-enablisha umpumelelo by saying umpumelelo akabizwa ngosibindi for nothing. Kwamina one day ongigojela le ekhaya. Umpumelelo unenkani ngokwakhe, umpumelelo uhlaza naye ngokwakhe, umpumelelo simelana noma wakhe. So you do know that umpumelelo kanjani. So kusho ukuthi inkani kaMpumelelo iphuma lapha kuMayeni because phela uMayeni unenkani akadlali, right? So that was the part of the first part of the episode. I'm gonna give you another episode right now. That was the first part of the episode, and then obviously again then at some stage Usne no ba angithi sebemithile uma wabo Makhwele, so they are discussing ngoMakhwele ukuthi bamazelapha. It sounds like Sneh is lying. We don't know who's lying between the two, because Lomunye uthi no, we're not been friends, we don't know each other in that manner. But Sneh on the other side claims also they are friends. Makhwele uthi cha girls, I saw you once at a wedding and then that was it, we are not friends, so please don't come here and then claim you're friends. So all the Mselegu's kids ke Omawande no Mpilo no Sneh, they were discussing umamake laba bamantombazane ngoba laba abanye bakhulume bebodwa on the other side. So but they're excited, they're like they have a new mom, even though the mother is a child, like 25-year-old. But what we're gonna do, that's what what's her name, Samgelo chose to be, and that's what Samgelo Samge, yeah, I'm assuming Samgelo, that's what Samge chose, and Samgelo chose an older man, the same man that told her Uguti, don't call me baby. Baby is not, baby is not. Guys, I'm selling no, don't be like that. I don't like it. Baby. Now the question is, if uzoba nenkinga with the fact ukuthi now ngibiza ngobabe. So basically that was more of the show after season 10 that we heard today, or that we've just watched, whereby it was more of the introduction of Makhwele to the Celes and the kids, all of the kids, and to Umselego spending time with his kids and Mpumelelo, and then actually discussing the fact that these kids they miss. And then they keep on speaking about the operation. And guys, please comment if you guys know what operation abakhuluma ngayo amayini, because I don't know what that operation is, and that operation looks like it's big or whatever the case it is, because bathi after the operation ngathi futhi uma yini wathi ukushintsha kancane. And remember phela lokho wahamba ngisho i-therapist at some stage, so inkinga zakhe ziningi vele egcineni umayini and going home. But then usizwa futhi ethi ke Umseleko ayi etshela Mpumelelo mina uma wakho ngeke ngikwazi ukumlanda back, usho ukuthi chances are of Mayini coming back to Umseleko are very slim. Guys, thank you so much. Please make sure you subscribe and then you watch and then you share and then we discuss some of the questions down here. My first question is, do you really think ukuthi it was fair for Mayini to leave Umnini back? Not just Umnini, because bakhona no bantu abancane, but plus sazi kakhulu Umnini, like the kids lezi ezincane. Was it fair? Even though, or do you think ukuthi yeah it's okay, or do you think Umseleko wanqaba, Umseleko wanqaba, do you think ukuthi mangiyeni nje inkala ngabe engakwazi ukuthatha ingane zakhe? What do you think? And then two, why abantu bakacele be happy? Adlalwa ngasikodwa la kwa DStv bakefethu nkosami asenziwa wona uPopi, asenziwa nje uPopayi. Anyway, thanks so much guys.